kong magmadre. Pero ayaw niya, di umiyak.
Hello, I am Sister Ivan Divao Dangnivetala, and I come from Fiji Island.
I am Sister Marife Nguhu from the Living the Gospel Community.
Ako po ay si Sister Benilda Avelino, SSPS, o tawagin nyo na lang akong Sister Bing.
Gasoline business myself, so just a way of earning for myself.
TMX Philippines sa MIPSA, Lapu-Lapu City.
I was a teacher.
It has been a dream, is a childhood dream, inspired by the life of Mother Teresa of Calcutta.
There was a call on niya kanang duna gyud ko'y personal gyud kaayo nga encounter sa atong Ginoo.
Palaging tinatanong yun sa akin. Ang aking sagot tanungin mo ang Diyos. Bakit? Kasi sa totoo lang, tawag naman ito ng Panginoon. Hindi sa akin kahit gusto ko kung ayaw, hindi ito ang will ng Panginoon. So, I believe it is really from God.
They never liked it in the first place, including all my siblings. They thought it's a waste of time, waste of life. However, they learned about our mission and our life, and they began to realize the value of missionary life.
Ang akong mama maodjoy number 1 gyud nga dili gyud siya musugot unya. Ang akong tatay silently kanana ang wala kaayo siya ni react unya. Later na nga nakaibaw ko nga naagad siya jepoy kanang damgo nga usaon ta siyang mga anak mamadre.
Umiyak ang nanay ko kasi sinulatan ko after high school gusto kong magmadre. Pero ayaw niya, di umiyak.
I cried the whole night for almost 1 month. Every night I cried. I miss my home so much.
Mura kong namatsyan kay wa man gyud sila nipakita ning lakaw na lang ko nga wa joy niingon nga babay pag ayo-ayo dito wala gyud. So moto kanang pag-abot ako sa kumbento murag nalimtan lang sa tunako tong kasinatiana kay kanang nalingaw naman ko nga gidawat o nanas ko sa kumbento ana. Pero ana sa pagagabi mo diha ako na bati na nga kanang gimingaw ko ingon ana.
Okay.
First night? Okay naman sa akin kasi talagang gusto ko yun. Nahirapan nga akong mag-decide kasi ang gusto ko noon magpamilya na maraming anak.
My relationship with God has been deepened.
Kanang basta kanang lahi na gyud.
Ganun din sa pamilya, mayroong masaya, mayroon ding mga problema, pero nasa sa akin na yun. Kasi I believe na sa attitude talaga yun.
It's true, we prayed a lot every day as we woke up in the morning. The first thing we do is pray.
Na ay time for prayer, na ay time for work, na ay time for recreation.
Kasi marami namang dapat gagawin na hindi lang pagdarasal.
Not at all. It is the most exciting thing that I've ever discovered. You know, I've lived life outside the convent. I entered when I was 25. So I've known life before entering the convent. That was the comments from my family. It's boring. It's value. There's no value into it. But as you enter into this life, you begin to discover more and more what is this life all about. It's life with God and the people of God. that I'm serving. So it's a lot to discover, and come and see. You'll know more when you come to see it yourself.
So far sa akong experience, dili man ko boringan.
Hindi naman. Actually, masaya. Yun na nga, sinabi ko na nga, na nasa sa tao na yun. No? Kasi kung hindi talaga sa yung bukasyon yun, hindi talaga calling mo, ay boring talaga. Mas maganda pang umalis ka.
No. No, actually, you don't need to be a broken-hearted. If you're broken-hearted and find convent as a way of escape, then convent is not a place for you. You need to make the decision from a place of love. You need to love what you do and also do what you love. And I weigh things up for myself. Is married life a possibility, or what are other options in life for me? So after weighing and praying about it for 4 years, it's not just like overnight I decided to become a sister. So it is about prayer and discernment.
Akong trato mo na broken hearted kaya ako siyang biyaan.
Yun ang palagi kong naririnig. Pero sigurado ako na hindi yan ang rason. No?
Do not be afraid, You must be called somewhere in your life. There is a purpose for your existence in this world. But for you to find out, you need to pray about it. Always discern and ask the Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit is very instrumental in my vocation. That's why I became a Holy Spirit sister. So always ask God, where am I supposed? What is your plan for me? So, and you weigh things up. You know it yourself. Where do you feel comfortable the most? This is for you. Welcome. Come and see.
So, hinaot mga kabaton-unan nga kanang musanong unta mo sa dakong hagit o usa ka invitation gikan sa atong Ginoo.
Don't be afraid. When God calls you, you have to heed it. Because just like me, I was haunted like Saint Francis who was called. Sabi ko, naku, kahit saan talagang pinupuntahan ako ng Panginoon. The dream keeps haunting me, sabi ko. Kasi I always postponed. But until the time when I was, nung malapit na kaming malunod, kasi taga-isla ako, sinabi ko sa Panginoon, sige talaga Lord, papasok na ako kasi palagi kong pinupostpone.